Hi, this is Najm again. Let's continue our adventure in this Laravel 8 tutorial. Today I'm gonna to show you how to use the artisan command. So let's open the Visual Studio. So as you can see, there is one file we didn't took in the last lecture. This file is artisan file. What is this file? This file is a PHP file that can help you to run your application or run your this PHP script will run your application in command line. How we can do this? We can do this just with opening our terminal here. So let's open our terminal. So let's see in the documentation Laravel. So just we search for artisan console. So as you can see, just type in here PHP artisan in your command line here, PHP artisan. So we will use this usually in during this this tutorial. So let's see all the giving command. So this command is separate by topic. For example, this command is for the migration, to migrate, to interact with your database. We have the queue. All this command is for dealing with our background jobs. Don't worry, we will see this in much detail in this tutorial in detail after. So this make category here, all this make allow you to do some scaffolding. For example, if you want to generate a controller, just use this command. Just type in PHP artisan and after that just write this word make 2-point controller. Don't worry, we will see this in much detail during this tutorial. After that, so as you can see, this is separate in topics. We have also this category for the route. This is a command informative that giving you much detail about your route. For example, this route list. Let's just to explore this one. PHP artisan route list. Just close this one and just enter. As you can see here, it's giving you the whole all the routes exist in your project. So where we can find this one, here we have just two. This the base URI and your API.user. So from where coming this information is coming from here. Just go to routes, web routes. See here the web routes. See this route. For example, if you want to create another route, let's say you have another page called contact page. Just return string for now. We will deal with views after. So we save. So I saved another route for the contact page. If I do again, we clear and do it again, PHP artisan route list, you'll see he add another route for the contact page. This is we will talk and much in deep details about routes after incoming lecture. So let's continue. So here so here let's write here PHP artisan. So I want to show you another thing is very important is this tinker. This tinker is very important, as you can see is interact with your application. This is a script shell let you interact with your Laravel app throughout a command line. We will use this usually in our in this tutorial. So let's type in PHP artisan tinker. So as you can see here, it open another shell, let you interact with your application, even let you interact with your model, your background jobs, and so on. We will see this in detail after in coming lecture. So if you wanna to exit, just Ctrl C. So and clear. And this is the PHP artisan. Thank you for watching. If you like the tutorial, just support me by like the video or following me by subscribe in my channel, and thank you for watching.